Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the Vileda Bee Mop sponge. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the Vileda Bee Mop, and it has a sponge on the end of it. And if you want to change the sponge, it's pretty easy, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, because the first time that you do it, you might have a little bit of difficulty with it, but once you've done it a couple of times, you'll be good to go. So there's a handle right here, and this controls the position of the sponge, essentially, whether it's gripped or not, okay, essentially. So we want to ungrip the sponge. So we take the handle, we're going to push the handle forward, and you're going to notice that it's going to ungrip the sponge. So I'm clamping the handle down, just like that. Now the sponge has been ungripped. Now if your Vileda Bee Mop is fairly new, your sponge should come out pretty easily. You want to pull it away from the direction of the arrow. So essentially I'm pulling it this way over here on my mop. So I'm going to pull it away like that, okay? Just like that. So basically I've just removed the old sponge, and I would replace it with a new sponge. In my case, I'm going to use the same one because it's still perfectly fine, but you're going to get your new Vileda Bee Mop sponge. There's going to be an arrow on it. You want to go with the direction of the arrow. So the arrow actually shows this, that it's pointing this way. So I'm going to take the sponge and I'm going to put it on in the direction of the arrow, just like that. So I put it on the rail right here. I want to center it roughly on the rail. So make sure it's nice and centered. Once you're happy with how it looks and how centered it is, you're going to take that handle, crank it back out like that, and now you're gripped. You're good to go. That's basically it. That is how to change the sponge on a Vileda Bee Mop. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.